all Filipino women, mothers, daughters, sisters, a meaningful Women's Month to all of you. The National Women's Month is a remarkable occasion to honor the contributions of Filipino women to nation building and to acknowledge their indispensable role in shaping our society. Every year, we dedicate this month to reflect on the strengths and achievements of the Filipino women in every field. This year's theme, Babae sa lahat ng sektor, aangat ang bukas sa bagong Pilipinas, reminds us that women are key contributors in building a progressive community. We at the Department of Social Welfare and Development are committed to advancing the cause of women's empowerment and gender equality. Through the years, we have focused on ensuring that women from vulnerable and disadvantaged sectors are not only seen and heard, but also given the inclusive and gender-sensitive tools, resources, and opportunities they need to thrive. Through the DSWD programs, countless of women are equipped with the skills and knowledge to aid them in decision-making and help them to become entrepreneurs and community leaders. We have also collaborated with other government agencies, local governments, civil society organizations, and various sectors to raise awareness on gender-based violence and to create a safer, more inclusive society for women. With that, let me take this opportunity to recognize the efforts of our GAD Focal Point System led by Assistant Secretary Rodolfo Santos, as well as all the regional GAD Focal Point System technical working groups for their contributions towards gender mainstreaming and ensuring that our programs and services are gender sensitive and responsive. Thank you to all the angels in red vest for continuously advocating for the rights of women and gender equality. As we celebrate National Women's Month, let us continue to strengthen our efforts towards a gender equal and inclusive society and ensure that all women have equal opportunities to contribute to a better Philippines. Mabuhay ang kababaihan!
Sumigaw, kalat ang balita.